Are you interested in selling AI receptionists to local businesses, but you feel like you don't have enough experience yet? A lot of people assume that this is highly technical or super complicated, but in this video, I'll show you a straightforward system that beginners are even using to get their first clients.
Agency-wise, you know, we're hitting 30 plus a month, and
30,000 a month?
Yeah.
Thanks to your help, Declan, and the partnership, I was able to sell 3 clients this month, one for $1,000 recurring, $1,500 recurring, and $2,500 recurring.
So I'm at about a solid 11, 12 clients right now.
Since I started working with you, I've made a lot of money. So probably well over $47,000.
So this month we're gonna eclipse 50K.
Plus, I'm going to be giving you my pre-built out AI receptionist for free so you can get started right away. So yes, you heard me right. I'm giving away my custom AI receptionist to you for free. I don't have some high ticket coaching upsell or some outdated course to sell you. Don't worry, none of that. I'm just going to give you something that has worked for me, and hopefully it will work for you. And I really think you're going to love it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay out this process immediately to you. We're not going to wait to get into it. I'm going to get into it right now because your time is very valuable. So the first thing I want to go over is what the heck are we doing? So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using a custom AI receptionist. By the way, if you don't know what this is, it is an AI robot that can answer any business's phones and do sales and customer support 24/7. Super valuable. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be giving this to local businesses, and it can be any kind: HVAC, electrician, plumber, lawyer, because I have a special AI prompt that can change this to any industry. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be selling this for a price point of either $297 or $497 per month. That way you can collect a relatively nice check for not doing a lot of work every single month on autopilot. And in my experience, when you set this up properly for the businesses, again, it's answering the phone calls and they're satisfied. We don't want to do these complicated things like running ads, social media management, SMMA, building out complicated websites. We want to sell things, okay, where it's little work for you, but it provides big value and they can continue justifying making the payments every month. And in my opinion, this is one of the best things I have seen to do this. So now what I want to do is I want to go over setting this up and selling this to local businesses and really why this is so valuable. Before I do that, I just want to let you know I have walked the walk. I have really done this. I have won awards doing so and helped a ton of different businesses grow using software and AI. So I'm telling you, I'm not just throwing this up here on YouTube. I've actually done this. I've also helped a ton of beginners make money with AI and a lot of other stuff. So it is real. You just have to be willing to put in the effort. And I'm telling you guys, this is the best business model I have seen up to date. It is insane. If you don't believe me, you can just go on my YouTube and see all the different case studies and success stories of complete beginners crushing it using these kinds of tools. So the first thing I want to explain to you is why businesses will pay for this. Well, if you go up to a business and you call them and they don't answer, well, they're missing calls. Okay, very important. That's either customer support or sales, the two big components of growing businesses. Well, if they're not answering, okay, not only are they a qualified lead for you, but they're actually missing out on a lot of revenue. See, what's different about this business model than a lot of other ones is that the value, the speed to value is so much faster, okay, than other business models. See, if you're building a website, running ads, doing SMMA, or really whatever you're doing, it takes a longer time usually to show them the value. But with this, when you're charging this price point and you're answering their phone calls, if they get a phone call 2 hours after you set it up, it's instant value and you're solving real problems. And here's the thing. When you can properly take care of sales and customer support for businesses and man the phones, it's the kind of thing where it's really annoying if you were to leave. Like it's painful because then they have to get on the phones and start doing it. Not good. You want it to be sticky and painful. That's how you can collect the money month after month. That's what people don't tell you on YouTube. I see a lot of videos of people being like, oh, get a recurring income, do this, do that. But they don't break down why it's powerful. With this, because I've done this a bunch of times, when you solve that core problem, they don't want you to leave and they will continue paying you. That's what you want. You want services that are sticky, okay? Like they leave, they feel more pain, and they're highly valuable. That, if you do those two things and you do it properly, businesses won't have a problem paying you month after month. So that's really why this is so daggone valuable. So the cool part is that I've already built out this AI receptionist for you. You don't have to go in and do a bunch of extra work. My goal is to have you come in, take this AI receptionist, and then start selling it ASAP. That's what I want you to do, not sit here playing around with software trying to figure this out. So in here, this is just high level, the software I'm using for this. It's already all set up. Okay, All you have to do is change the business name, pick the name you want, okay? Come in, use my prompt to change this out if you want to change the niche out. This also comes with a calendar. I already pre-built it out, so don't worry. I got that taken care of too. And then the last part is just either taking their phone number and connecting it, okay, or buying a new phone number for $1, and then you're good to go. That's all you have to do. Other than that, this entire process is done. Okay, that's how easy it is. Like, I'm not even joking. This is possibly the easiest business model possible because I've already built it out for you. You don't have to do all this extra work. And I'm also giving it away for you for free, which we can get into in the next part. But like, this is not complicated stuff. And a lot of people will overcomplicate business models, but like, it's very simple. You're going to take my pre-built out AI Receptionist, okay, that's already set up. If you want to, you can change the niche out, find the proper local businesses, okay, and then sell it for this price point. It's easy as that. So it's that easy to set up. It's so easy. We're done. Like, that's it. So now what I want to do is I actually want to test this for you to show you how good this is, because a lot of people go online and they go, oh, look how cool this is, but they never test it. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put in a phone number and test this live, because I want to show you that this actually works. So we're going to come right in here. What we're going to do is we're going to call me right now.
Landscaping company. How can I help you today?
Hey, how you doing, ma'am? I'm just trying to get my retaining wall fixed and my lawn mowed and my weeds done.
Thanks for reaching out. We offer mowing and weed eating, so we can definitely help with your lawn and weeds. For the retaining wall repair, I'll need to connect you with a team member, since that's a bit.
That's fine. We'll talk about the retaining wall part later. I just right now need to get my lawn mowed right now, so I need to book a consultation ASAP.
Got it. Let me check the available slots for a consultation so we can get your lawn taken care of as soon as possible. Here are the soonest available times for a consultation: on the 10th of November at 9 a.m., 11 a.m., or 1 p.m. Would any of these work for you?
Let's do 1 p.m., please.
I see we have your email as declanthealmightywizard@gmail.com. Is that correct?
Yes, but I want to use a different email.
No problem. Could you please provide the email address you'd like to use for your appointment? I'll confirm it with you before booking.
Yep, I want to use Declan the Wizard GHLGod@gmail.com. See, I'm giving it complicated requests to try to switch it up and mess with it.
Is that DECLANTHEWIZARDGHLGOD@gmail.com?
Yes. Humans would struggle to remember that. That was so long.
All set for Monday, the 10th of November at 1 p.m. We'll send your confirmation details to DeclanTheWizardAHLGod@gmail.com. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
That's it. But I'm just curious, Rebecca. Wait, I just want to ask you really fast. What's your name?
My name's Rebecca. I'm here to help with.
All right. Thank you, Rebecca. Bye-bye now. So you see how simple that was? And I was asking it complicated stuff. That's how good these AI receptionists are. They're really good. This is the future, guys. You got to be selling this now. There's a lot of money on the table right now for those of you who are going to go out and do this, because this is advanced. And you saw I was doing complicated stuff, switching up the email, and it was acing it, doing it with flying colors. So that's it. It's really that simple. So now what I want to go over, okay, is really how to sell this and really launch into this. So as I said before, I'm not trying to sell you anything. I want to give you everything for free. And the software I use to make this work is called GoHighLevel. And what I've done is I've talked to the team and I've basically worked out a deal to get you a 30-day free trial, not a 14-day free trial, a 30-day free trial. That way you can go down below, try this out risk-free. I don't like when people are like, okay, pay me $5-10 grand to check this out, and you're kind of stuck wondering. I want to give you something that you can try completely free. But what I want to also do when you sign up with this will all be emailed in this free trial, is I want to give you access to my private community for free. In this community, we have a ton of different stuff. So you can ask questions. We have lots of different trainings you can attend, all kinds of sales scripts, everything to help you on this journey. But most importantly, we have over 6 live coaching calls per week that you can attend for free with real coaches, real people doing the thing you're doing, selling the AI receptionist, to walk you through everything. So if you come in and you're like, well, I'm a little confused on this AI receptionist, even if this super simple confuses you, that's fine. We can come in and we can help you. And again, this is free. You can even talk to me face-to-face, message me whenever you want, all kinds of other stuff. So like, this is really, really powerful. And guys, I'm not selling this. I'm giving it away all for free. You can click the link down below and see it. And I'm doing this because I want to give you something that actually works. And here's the thing. Worst case, you come in, you sign up for a high level 30-day free trial, you try it for 30 days, you get on the calls, you do everything, and you don't, see the results you want to see, you can leave. No sweat off your back, zero risk. That's how sure I am this is going to work, that I'm going to give you all of this risk-free. So again, I just want to let you know, this is really the thing that I think is going to change everything for you. There is no online community better than this. And in reality, you have nothing to lose. So that's really it. I hope this helps. And the big thing too, I want to let you know that in this community, one of the biggest things we focus on is really helping you sell this to local businesses, because that's the hardest part. And that's what we go over in depth. I mean, videos can't even just cover that. I mean, they can you scratch the surface, but a lot of that's like helping you on calls and doing stuff like that to really boost you. So again, guys, all of this is free. The trainings, the community, the live calls, and all this stuff is all free when you sign up with that 30-day free trial link of High Level right down below. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any questions at all, please drop a comment down below. I will answer personally. Really important to do it because a lot of time you have questions and they don't get answered. I'm here to answer them. The other thing is, if you want access to all these bonuses, it's right down below. And what I'm going to do on top of this to really help you out is I'm going to link a video at the end of this video. This is just going to go over the entire community, everything you're getting for free. That way you can see this is real. And it'll show you some videos of beginners winning, and it'll break down what this is. Because what I don't want to happen is to have you come in and be overwhelmed, and then you're like, wait, what's going on in this? I just want to be transparent with you. That's why I'm giving everything to you free up front. But I want to show you that this is legit, and I'm legit. I'm not just some random dude on the internet. I've won awards, as you see. I've sold a lot of stuff with business. I've helped a lot of businesses grow. And I want to make sure that you see this all transparently. So again, that video will be linked right at the end of this one. And if you guys have any questions, drop them down below. I don't care if you're angry, sad, happy. This is the greatest thing ever. I don't care. Whatever it is, drop them down below, and I will answer personally. So again, thank you guys for watching, and make sure you watch the video that pops up at the end of this one.